In this tutorial, we will look at how to create new documents in Google Docs. At the school's Google Docs site, I will enter my username and password and sign in. At the welcome screen, under the Your Services section, I will select Docs. Since this account has never been used before, there are no documents currently listed under the Title section. To create a new document, you will move your mouse over to the left-hand side and click the red button that says Create. Under the Create button, you will notice the different types of documents that you can create in Google Docs. A document is like a Word document. A presentation would be like a PowerPoint. You have spreadsheets, forms, drawings, collections, and from templates. We will start by creating a Word document. When it appears, you'll notice it looks like any other word processing program. You can start typing on the white area. We'll just put welcome. And then you can format your document using a variety of the tools available on the button bar or through the menu bar. Looking at the button bar, you can move your mouse over any button and it will show you a little pop-up as to what that feature will do. And I think most of you know how to use word processing documents and go through them. This will automatically save from time to time. Notice at the top it says saving, and when it's done it'll say all changes saved. Where did the changes save to? Well, they're saving to the Google Docs system. If you want to save this document to your computer or your flash drive or wherever else, you can always select the File menu, and instead of Save, you'll select Download, and it gives you several options as to file formats. An ODT is an Open Office format, PDF, RTF, text, or you can even save it as a Word document. And I'm not sure what the zipped HTML is, but that is a feature also. I will just save this one as a Word document. And you'll notice I just have a white screen, but at the very bottom it says, do you want to save this? Don't just click Save. Hit the down arrow, click Save As, select where you want to save it, whether it's your P drive or your C drive or wherever, so that you know where you're saving it and what you're calling it. Always hit that down pointing arrow. When it's finished and it says the download has completed, hit the X to close out of that little window, and then come up to the top and close out of the tab, and you'll be back to your document. Now notice this document is called Untitled, and that is what Google Docs is saving it as. I'm looking for a way to change that, but the only way I have right now is to actually close out of this tab, the Untitled Document tab, which takes me back to my Google Docs homepage. I can now right-click on the document and say Rename, and I can give it something that makes more sense to me and say OK. And now it's called Welcome Doc. We will come back and look at more features of Google Docs in the next tutorial.